multitasker for the kitchen. It's the LG InstaView range with Air Sous Vide. If you don't know what Air Sous Vide is yet, it's a cool culinary trick for making sure that you have consistent temperature so your meat and your fish are always juicy and never overcooked. And instead of placing a vacuum sealed bag in water, this range simply lets you place it on the oven rack. Plus, air fry is also built in, so you can make healthy versions of things like wings and French fries. And another cool feature is the Instant View window, which lets you check on dinner without opening the oven door. You just give it a little knock to see what's inside.
For more on these stories, just head on over to killerapps.tv.